Crash Course in Slang. Understanding to come a gutser. Hello and welcome, learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as quirky as it is vivid, to come a gutser. This uniquely Australian expression is packed with nuance and character, and understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you a taste of Australian culture. So, let's unravel the mystery of this intriguing phrase together. To come a gutser is a colloquial Australian term. Essentially, it means to have a bad fall or to fail spectacularly at something. The phrase is often used to describe situations where there's an unexpected turn of events leading to a downfall or failure. It's colorful, descriptive, and captures the essence of a sudden mishap perfectly. The term gutser is believed to originate from the early 20th century, possibly related to the word guts. The idea is that when someone falls heavily or fails, they might feel it in their guts, hence, coming a gutser. Over the years, it's been used in various contexts, from sports to everyday life, to describe situations where things go wrong unexpectedly. 1. After tripping over the wire, he came a gutser right in front of everyone. 2. Her business venture came a gutser after the new regulations were introduced. 3. He was leading the race but came a gutser on the final lap. These examples show how versatile the expression is, applicable to physical falls and metaphorical ones, like business or personal endeavors. Understanding phrases like, to come a gutser, enriches your conversational skills and helps you grasp the cultural nuances that make language vibrant and dynamic. It's a peek into the Australian way of life and humor, and knowing such expressions allows you to connect more deeply with native speakers and their culture. And that's a wrap on To Come a Gutser. We hope you enjoyed this linguistic journey down under and that you're now a bit more prepared to tackle the colorful world of Australian slang. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the stories, culture, and character behind the words. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!